We're here at UA Local 250 in Gardena, California. We're here for the statewide apprenticeship contest. The purpose of the competition is to reward our top apprentices.
It really lets the apprentice shine.
These are the best of the best.
Anthony Madrid, Local Union 250.
Kyle Cunningham, Local 342.
Mark Dwyer,
290. Michael Caldwell, 467.
Frank Hernandez, 246.
Alan Feller out of Local 78.
Devin Reed, Local 342. My name is Pete Carrillo, Local 484.
Travis Stepp, 442. Joseph Stewart, I'm in Local 78.
William Escobar, 467.
It's time to shine.
We're here at UA Local 250 at the A&J training facility.
This is our second time that we've had the opportunity to showcase our facility, our rigging structure, our classrooms.
They've got it all set up for over 53 apprentices that are going to be competing, and you've got steam fitters, plumbers, welders, HVACR apprentices, and sprinkler fitter apprentices.
And they come to this beautiful facility to prove what they've learned from our instructors.
And they're all competing to see who's going to be the best in California.
We're very happy, excited for them.
It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of energy, and just so much positiveness.
Even though they're in competition, they're always trying to help one another.
Lets the guys get out there and see that we're all doing the same thing, just in different locations.
It's a synergic feel. Everybody's getting to know each other.
And may the best man or woman win.
This is the rigging portion of it. The apprentices are going to come out and rig a piece of pipe.
It's basic rigging on anything from pipe to pumps to boilers, anything that we might have to find ourselves rigging on the job.
It's pretty complicated. It takes a lot of training.
Deals a lot with safety, a lot with weight loads, crane signals, being able to work with an operator and another hand at the same time.
He's got it rigged correctly, and he's just got to get it in between right in the hole without hitting the sides.
So you got to be able to see it in your head. It's all in the training class. I learned it all from my local trained me's.
It teaches us how to multitask as far as when working around others, how to be as safe as possible.
It'd be a real easy test if we gave them something they did every day. We give them stuff that they should know, and they do know, but they don't get to use every day. So they really got to put their thinking caps on.
It's really neat to watch. I learned something myself, so it was really neat.
Today they're doing some problem solving in variable speed drives.
Then they move and do pneumatics. They've got a control contest that they're doing.
They're going to draw and put together an air conditioning system electrically, and they're also doing measurement on compressors.
It's pretty tough. Well, the great thing is it brings out the best in the guys.
It pretty much validates our training. It makes it all worthwhile.
They try not to tell us where the contestants come from so that there's no bias.
You can't wear any local number, so everybody's just equal.
It's all done based on the individual's craftsmanship, not what local they're from. I have no idea what local any of these guys are from.
Basically, it's our job to make sure that everybody's equal and fairly tested.
It's a great pleasure to come out here and work with the guys and just be part of the whole thing.
Today's competition is a 4-hour layout of cast iron rough-in for a bathroom. They'll be judged on not only how economically they lay it out, but also the presentation, proper sizing in accordance with code requirements.
Pretty tough, it's pretty challenging. You gotta know your code, you gotta know what fittings you can use, which way they go, where to put your clean out, so you gotta definitely come prepared.
This is the tube bending part of our competition. It's a drawing. You even have to make a three-dimensional configuration when you're done.
It consists of making 33 bends accurately and fitting into, as you can see, the templates that they have to fit it into.
It's a lot of math. It's bending the tubing in your mind and then applying it to the board.
They have a screwed pipe project, and it's going to marry up to the copper pipe project.
They're given drawings, they've got to put it together. What they're doing behind us here, they have a piece of pipe. They have to configure it in different directions and different elbows and different measurements with different ends on them.
All their measurements are all very critical.
They're building a copper tree. They're brazing some of the fittings and then soft soldering some of the fittings.
That's supposed to mate up with another part of the contest that they're going to fabricate, so they'll have one that fits with the other, and then they'll be judged to make sure that they fit accurately.
What it looks like they're building today is a mock-up of a fire sprinkler system with various degrees of angles that they'll be using.
They'll be doing a hydrostatic test of their project. So the project's got to hold 200 psi pressure.
They test you on your speed, on your safety, the production. They look at various things. I'm looking pretty good.
Right now we're in the weld bays, and these apprentice welders are trying to complete a very difficult project.
They're going to have to use 6 different processes of welding.
When it's all done, will resemble the letter CA for California.
And they're going to build that project, and they're going to have to weld every weld-in position.
It has just a wide variety of different types of filler metals that they have to use in welding techniques, so it's very, very difficult.
It's a great exercise.
Each one of these kids has great potential and is a very good welder.
We're very, very fortunate to have one of our female apprentices competing in the welding portion of the contest.
It seems like everyone's just in there just to weld and see what they're made of, and everything's going on pretty smooth.
It's real exciting. Everybody's trying to do their best.
Welders have thick skin, you gotta love that.
It looks like all the divisions are pretty much wrapping everything up. They were here with a mission to take care of business, and that they did.
We'd like to thank United Association Local 250 for hosting the 2010 Jack Raby California Apprentice Contest.
Today, it's you, young men and women, brothers and sisters of the UA that make us go forward.
You have exhibited the very best that the UA has to offer, and we are also very proud of you.
First place in the plumbing, Local 78, Alan Geffler. First place in the sprinkler fitting, Local 483, Nicholas Hagerbeck, welding. Local 342, Christopher Lewis, pipe fitters, Local 342. Devin Reed, HVACR. Kyle Cunningham, Local 342. Thank you guys for all your hard work.
Great competition, great group of guys I work with.
It's probably one of the best days of my life.
I'm shaking, I'm so happy.
I gotta study hard and try my best at the next one.
It makes the last 5 years of hard work and effort really worth it.
This is a pretty special time for us to be able to watch the guys, just come out and compete and really come into their own. It's almost like a proud parent moment.
Absolutely.
I mean, it really teaches us what the UA is about as far as the brotherhood and unity.
I think it's great for the apprentices to be here to see what the UA has to offer.
All in all, we're all in this together.
Whether you win or lose, everybody's a winner here as far as we're concerned.
It's always nice to see the future. The guys that are going to come out here and take care of business are going to keep this industry going.